Hey gardening family, so I have not been on here in a long time, like updating you guys with everything. I do have a lot to show you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do basically every day since we're not allowed stuff in the grass. So right now everything is in the grass. Shh, yeah, don't tell nobody, everything is in the grass right now. So I have a lot going on. Look at my potatoes, some are starting to die, which is a-okay with me. I still have my kale and stuff going, but you know, whatever. My flowers, oh no, these aren't flowers. My flowers are on the other side. These are peppers right here. This is either spaghetti squash or cucumber. I mean, yeah, cucumbers. I can't remember what these ones are. Flowers. Oh, you guys, let me show you what happened to a lot of my flowers. So we were getting a lot of rain where I live, a lot. And remember when I told you guys that I didn't drill any holes into this one? Look at my poor babies. Look at my poor babies. So I'm about to pull all these up because, well, not right now. I've been going all day. It's Mother's Day and I've been going like all day. But I don't have any peppers going, but I do have cucumbers growing. Let me show you guys my little babies. I call them my little babies. Look how cute. Look at my little babies. So yeah, but I'm about to show you guys what I do every day, which is move all of this stuff back over here. Yeah, no fun. It's not fun because this stuff be heavy, especially after all of that rain that we got. Oh my gosh, these buckets heavy. But I'm about to just do it, move all of this stuff back. Sometimes I have my kids help me, sometimes I just suck it up and do it all by myself. I wanted to get out in my garden today, but I didn't have a chance. Oh, I do want to show you guys some things I got from 50% off at Lowe's. So let me show you guys that. All right, so these ones that are in like this plastic bag, these were like, I think $4 or $5 each because they were 50% off. I was like, yeah, I will take it. I already bought these from Home Depot, and then we went to Lowe's and he told me that these are all 50% off when you see them in the bag like this. I said, you ain't got to tell me nothing. But yeah, I think I got 4 bags of those. I wanted to clean up, but like I said, I've been ripping and running all day and I'm not gonna be able to clean. I'll probably clean this upcoming weekend, but I'm gonna show you guys now what done happened to all of my plants. I am going to talk about what happened. I had to go out of town because one of my kids was hospitalized out of town for like a week, and I was gone for a very long time, so a lot of my plants died. I still have this lettuce in here that I need to pull up. Again, when I'm going to pull it up, I don't know. I did put this tomato plant in here. Broccoli's dead. Like, so all of the ones that I didn't start from seed are basically dead. And also my radishes that I started on March 10th just never grew. So this is not a good spot. This raised bed is just, I love this raised bed, but where it is, and being that it does not have any wells on it, it doesn't get that much sun because I can't move this out in the grass. It's too heavy, and I mean, I done broke the legs if I was trying to pull it. But yeah, I do need to pull all this up. Probably won't happen until later this week. I probably won't even wait until the weekend. As long as the weather is okay tomorrow, I'll probably do it tomorrow. But yeah, it's looking a little crazy over here, you guys. I was sad. I really had high hopes for my radishes. Really had high hopes, but they're basically doing nothing. So anyways, let me move all my stuff from out of the grass and into back over here. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you guys what I picked up from Lowe's as well. These were basically 50% off because they were $2. So 2, 4, 6, and then this wasn't on clearance. Oops, not showing you guys. This marigold was not on clearance, but these other ones were 2 for $6, $8 total. So yeah, I picked those up as well. I'm actually debating if I should just wait until tomorrow to pull these. Something in my gut's telling me to move these now, so I'm about to just move them now. So like I said before, one of my kids was hospitalized, hence the reason why I've been gone for a very long time. Also, if you guys watched the 3 videos before this one, they were from April. So yeah, a lot's been going on. I had to get my life together and of course my kids' life together. I wasn't like emotionally stable to actually record myself, but now that my child is doing a whole lot better, I am back to gardening. And gardening really helps with controlling like emotions and things like that. But a lot of my items or plants, whatever, did not pass away. A lot of my plants did die. So I went and bought more flowers, especially my flowers. I was so sad about my flowers. You guys, I have drilled holes into that planter, so there's no worries about that. But I am excited that pretty much my garden is still thriving, except the stuff that's in the raised garden bed. That stuff is not doing good. All right, so this is everything back where it's supposed to be. Because again, you guys know I ain't supposed to have nothing in the grass. Shh. But everything is back where it's supposed to be. So this right here, of course, is my greenhouse. I took off the plastic and I also took off 2 shelves, especially since the plants are getting taller. Down here, they're getting taller too, but it's taking these ones down here a little bit longer to grow. Not exactly sure why, but yeah, that's why I took that off. Everything's back where it's supposed to be. Probably tomorrow, I'm going to, of course, oh, I guess I could just take these out now. That was easy. And I'm gonna leave that soil for tomorrow, but I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this over here right now. This is the area where I just been throwing everything. I've dumped that cow manure, or what is it called, black cow, right there. And yeah, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's coming together. It's coming together. I'm gonna get it together eventually. And let me talk to you guys. So at first I was not moving my stuff back and forth. Well, I was, but I really wasn't doing it because I was like, oh, I'm praying that I'm gonna get enough sun, but my plants were just not getting enough sun, so I had to keep on moving it out. I want to thank my girl on here, Just Vlogging Life, for like, hey, why don't you just keep moving them out into the sun? And that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully they never say anything to me, so everyone cross their fingers. But again, thank you again, Just Vlogging Life, because I probably wouldn't have did it if you hadn't said anything. So I would have just been like, yeah, I'd have been doing it like off and on like I've been doing, but I really wasn't consistent with it because I was praying that I was going to get enough sun on my back patio, but that wasn't working. And now that I'm moving everything every day, just about every day, unless it rains, like I said, we were getting a lot of rain, hence my one plant's dying, or drowning and dying because I didn't have holes in the pot. But ever since I've been moving them out into the sun back and forth, they've been doing a lot better. So thank you again, Just Vlogging Life. But you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I know it was a short one, and I forgot to say happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next gardening video.